Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to add my business location on Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. On your profile page, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the privacy controls section. Tap See My Location. On the location settings page, tap Suggest a Place. Enter your business name. Use the map to pin your business location accurately. Select the appropriate business category. Add additional details such as business hours, website, phone number, and photos. Optional. Review the information and tap Submit. Snapchat will review your suggested business location and update it if approved. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.